Meaning of Derry.
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 Derry. Derry is a city in Northern Ireland, also known as Londonderry. The name Derry comes from the Irish language Doir, which means oak grove. The city has a complex history, and its name has been the subject of debate and controversy due to political and social tensions. Nevertheless, many people still refer to the city simply as Derry, while others prefer to use the longer version, Londonderry. Overall, Derry is a place name with significant cultural and historical significance in Northern Ireland.